What's up, everybody? I'm back. Finna clean up this motor. Clean all that up. We got some awesome. Got some awesome. Then we got some primer. Then finish it up with some paint. Let that sit for a second. I got this blower. Gonna blow off the engine now. I blew it off with this blower right here. I took some 80 grit. Let's see what it's. I took some 80 grit and hit these spots down here that you see that's rusted, surface rusted out. And then I took this piece right here to get in the crevices with this screwdriver to get all in the little crevices and stuff. A little oil build up and stuff, whatnot. This too, you can attach it to a drill, but I just decided just to use it by hand. It'd be quicker. Instead of trying to fit a drill down in there, it'd be kind of hard. But it's all cleaned up now. I'm finna tape it up. I'm gonna tape it up so I can put this primer on there. Got this little tape machine, a little handheld tape machine, and then some tape for the back tape. The back tape it up with. All right, I'll be right back. All right, I got it taped up. Got it taped up. Now it's time to hit it off with some primer. Let that sit for a second, and we're gonna hit it again. Alright, now we're gonna hit it with some paint. Alright, now we're finna hit it with some paint. Alright, there go, paint it up with the tape off. I'll show you the other side. It's the other side. Put a little light. I put a electric fuel pump on. Took off the mechanical one that was right there. And painted this side up. Use some zip ties right here for the meantime, real quick. The mechanical pump right here I took off. Put the electrical one on. The electrical one is Edelbrock. I got from O'Reilly's. Put that out. That's what I put on now. Micro fuel pump, fuel. Up to 410 horsepower, 38 gallon per hour, 47 psi, 12 volt. Alright, I'm going to demonstrate this tape machine right here. Got it from Home Depot, 20 bucks. There we go. See if you got a body line trying to tape off. You got a body line trying to tape off. Go on down that line. Stop right there. Another little tip. Don't get your paper. See this type of paper right here, don't get it from your paint store. Get it from Home Depot. It's like $2. But don't get your tape from there. Or your auto parts store. Go to the paint store, get your tape. It's cheap at the paint store. Like the auto parts store, Walmart, Home Depot, you're gonna pay about $6-7 for this tape, probably even more. So keep that in mind.